Hello everyone. Today's topic is basic data types in Python. So let's begin.
The data stored in memory can be of many types. Python has various standard data types that are used to define the operations possible on them and the storage method for each of them. For example, a student's roll number is stored as a numeric value and his or her address is stored as an alphanumeric characters. Python has various inbuilt data types, but we are covering three basic data types. Int, integer, represents integral numbers, numbers without any fractional part. Examples of integral numbers are 3840, 13434, -54755677854545. An integer in Python can be of any length. There are three types of integers in Python. Number 1, plain integer. It is the normal type integer and occupies 32 bits or 4 bytes to store a value. The range that can be used with plain integer is 214748364 to 214748364. An integer can hold positive as well as negative values within this range. Number 2, long integers. It supports the values that lie beyond the range of plain integers. A long integer can hold any long integer as big as supported by the system. This means long integers have an unlimited range subject to available memory only. Number 3, booleans. Bool. It represents logical values in the form of true and false. In Boolean, 0 represents false and 1 represents true. Students, let's know more. Python is a case-sensitive language while dealing with identifiers. B. Float. It represents floating point values, numbers with fractional part. The fractional part of a floating point number may be 0 also. Examples of floating point numbers are 3.14, -48.6, 18967.78. They can be represented in two forms. Number 1, fractional form. Number 2, exponential form. Floating point numbers can represent integer values as well and have a bigger range of values as compared to integers. Students, let's know more. In Python, floating point numbers have precision of 15 digits, double precision. C. String. A string data type represents strings of characters enclosed within quotation marks, double quoted or double quote close. Examples of strings are hello, my name, 218, peace, etc. Python offers two types of string values. Number 1, ASCII strings. The ASCII strings hold the strings of 0 or more ASCII characters. Example, Python, hello, etc. Students, let's know more. ASCII strings are also called string type strings because when you check their type in Python, it returns as str. Number 2, Unicode strings. These are the strings which are prefixed with letter U without any quote. Example, U, single quote, XYZ, single quote close, U, double quote in welcome, double quote close, etc. Type main function. It is used to return the data type of a value. Type 20. Class, single quote in, integer, single quote close. Type 29.0. Class, single quote in, float, single quote close. Type 10 divided by 3. Class, single quote in, float, single quote close. Type single quote in 10 by 3, single quote close. Class, single quote in, string, single quote close. Type double quote in computer applications double quote close. Class single quote in string single quote close. Type true. Class single quote in bool single quote close. Type false. Class single quote in bool single quote close. Type 100 is smaller than 200. Class single quote in bool single quote close.